Hello everyone. If you all want your posts to have more comments, more likes, do not ignore this video. You can see that if an article has a lot of comments, a lot of interactions like this, then surely others will look at it, will feel more attractive, and make your article more vivid. Then do so to be able to be more comments, more interactions, more like that. First of all, give me the link. Then you convert from the article link to the article ID. When you have the post ID, you enter the software. You choose the seeding post feature. Copy ID to post ID. Next, you set up the settings for yourself, the configuration. Like this, react this, comment post, and add comments. Finally, you choose Give Yourself Facebook Accounts. You click Start. The software will help you manage a large number of Facebook accounts. You will raise these Facebook accounts to be able to spam post, spam comments, spam send messages. Very effective for you to do marketing. Check the box, and you should follow the software to support comments like your article. If you need to use the software, you can contact me via Telegram or WhatsApp. I will help guide and install.